Alright. These are the elevators at the Ramada Kissimmee Gateway. Looks like we got Dover Impulse. This might actually be Traflomatic, because the indicator doesn't blink when the floors change. Here we are on 8. Go back down to 1. That sign says Miami, but that sign says Thyssenkrupp. Motor doesn't sound too good though. You heading up? What floor?
3rd floor.
3.
Got the camcorder going on, man?
Yeah, I'm just interested in elevators.
Ah, nice, nice. What you doing with just record some footage?
Yeah.
I'll do the same thing, man. Mine's upstairs in my room right now.
Alright, have a wonderful day, sir.
Likewise, sir.
And here we are on 8. Good to know. And I'm gonna switch elevators there. Yeah, that motor does not sound healthy. There that one goes. I'll try to get the other one. That, yep, here we go. Eight. Both of the labels on this one say Thyssenkrupp. This one's a bit bumpy. And we'll end our video on 1. Cab's the same as the other, so I'm not going to bother showing it. You will watch 1 go out. Here we are. And there it goes. That'll be it.